back to Fancy Facts. Today's topic is cockatiel facts. Let's begin. Fact number 1. Male cockatiels are better at talking and whistling than female cockatiels. Fun fact, male cockatiels use sound to attract female cockatiels in the wild. Fact number 2. Cockatiels can be considered as the most widely kept parrot, other than parakeets and budgies. Fact number 3. Cockatiels require 10 to 12 hours of sleep a day. They also take naps during the day. Fact number 4. Cockatiels were first discovered in Australia in the year 1770. They did not become popular until the Australian Golden Rush in the 1900s. Fact number 5. Cockatiels are very sociable birds. They will become unhappy if they are left alone for a very long period of time. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.